Hey guys, going to go over our Forex trades for today, Monday, May 11th. We had one trade. It was a scalp trade. It was a full trade, picked up 8.6 pips. We'll go over that in a minute. Really no economic news to speak about. There was news out of the UK interest rate decision, which they left rates unchanged. They'll have more news, I believe, Wednesday, which will be about the interest rate decision, and then I believe the 20th of next week will be the minutes from the meeting. So more on that to come, but we'll see what it does. Other than that, pretty quiet. We're looking at, we're going to go over, we did put on a correlation trade, which is, as you see here, pound the US dollar to the New Zealand US dollar, and you can see how this correlation has gotten very wide. We actually put some on when it was around a 500 pip spread, and it's gotten to about 650 right now. We just recently added another small piece, and if it gets upwards of 750, we'll add another small piece there with the anticipation of that correlation to close one way or the other. Either the pound US dollar starts to reverse back down, or the New Zealand dollar US dollar eventually catches up to it. Could take days, could take weeks, whatever. But we don't use a lot of leverage, as you know, with these, so we're in it. We initiate the position with half our size, our intended size. When we put on a small piece after that because it did get wide. And if it continues to widen, we'll continue to add. The other correlation trade we are still in from, I'll bring that up, from last week is the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar to the Australian dollar, US dollar. Okay. And let me just change this, the format of it. Okay. We added this when it was about a 600 pip spread, and you could see the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar has shot up here. Excuse me, we added this when it was about a 300 pip spread, and over the past year, it's been the widest it got was about 700 pips or so. It's currently, where are we here? It's currently about, call it 500 pips. So we just recently added another small piece. Might be coming up to a resistance area here on New Zealand dollar, on the Australian dollar to New Zealand dollar, so we could see this thing reverse possibly. But so we added another small piece. If it continues to widen, we'll add more. This trade has been all over. We've been down, we've been flat, we've been up marginally, and now down again. So again, we never had more than half. Today is the first time we have more than half our intended size. So not so bad. So we'll hold those until they pan out, right? As far as the scalp trade, it was euro to the yen. As you see here, it was a full scalp. We were short this 133.743 this morning. Picked up 8.6 pips, 133.657. In hindsight, we probably should have waited to see if it would approach the half figure, which it did. Not that we'd be able to cover there, but we'd be able to cover, with this pair, 2.5, 3 pips above that. Which, again, like I said, in hindsight, we should have done it. We tried to wait, but it did bounce. And when it was bouncing, that's when we decided to get out. And then a matter of a half an hour after it bounced, or maybe in a half an hour, 45 minutes after it bounced up, it did, I believe it actually hit the half figure on the bid side. So we could have covered there. But as you can see, it really hasn't done a whole lot. Again, no economic news, not much catalyst out there to get things moving. So that's it. We're going to wrap it up. If you're trading now, good luck. If any signals come out, they'll be coming your way. And if we get any action tonight, tomorrow, we'll do another video. If not, we'll see you next time we get some action. Have a great rest of your day.